Alright, I'm inside Sunday morning breakfast and lunch on Yonge Street, just south of Sinclair. My first time in here, still trying to decide what to have. Okay, my breakfast is here. This is called the Lumberjack. It has 2 pancakes, 2 bacon, 2 sausage, 3 eggs, and home fries. And the coffee does not come with it, so the coffee is separate. The coffee is delicious. So yeah, not too bad. Alright, I'm gonna try the pancake. Very good. I haven't had pancakes in a long time. Goodbye. Very good. Thank you. And their home fries are good. First time here at Sunny Morning Breakfast and Lunch on Yonge Street, and it's very good. I will return and try the other items on the menu. Very good. Breakfast Lumberjack. I'm having Sunny Morning Breakfast Lunch on Yonge Street. Take care. Bye. Take care. Bye.